Hello everyone. Have you ever noticed how certain colors or fabrics make an outfit look more professional while others seem too casual for the workplace? In this lecture, we will explore how to select colors and create a professional tone and fabric that keeps your outfits comfortable and appropriate for business casual. With the end of this lecture, you will have a strong understanding of which colors and materials work best for creating business casual wardrobe. Let's get this started. After completing this lecture, you will be able to identify subtle colors for a business casual wardrobe, understand how different fabrics affect the look and feel of your outfit, make informed choices on colors and fabrics that match both your style and the workplace setting. One of the key elements of a business casual wardrobe is selecting colors that convey professionalism and flexibility. Neutral colors like black, navy, grey, and beige are popular because they can be mixed and matched easily. These colors create a calm, polished look and can work in almost any office setting. Having a few basic items in these colors gives you a strong foundation to build on. Career coach and style expert Lauren Rothman explains neutral colors help people look consistent and credible in professional settings. She recommends starting with neutral colored basics such as navy blazers, grey trousers, and beige blouses because they can adapt to various looks with just a few changes. While neutrals are essential, adding a touch of color can bring personality and interest to your outfit. You do not need to go for bold colors. Softer shades like light blue, blush pink, or even a muted green can make a difference without overpowering your look. Use these colors in your shirts, sweaters, or accessories to add variety. This approach allows you to keep your outfit professional while adding a personal touch. Let's talk about Adam, who worked in a financial office where most people dressed in black, grey, or navy. One day, Adam decided to wear a dark red tie with grey suit. His co-workers immediately noticed and complimented on the color. The red tie wasn't flashy, but it added a hint of personality without breaking the office dress code. Adam found that a small touch of color could make him stand out in a positive way. The moral? Even subtle colors can add a unique touch to an outfit without distracting from its professionalism. The fabric you choose can completely change the look and comfort of an outfit. Business casual attire typically calls for fabric that holds their shape, resists wrinkles, and feel comfortable throughout the day. Let's go over a few common fabrics and why they work well for business casual. Cotton. Cotton is a breathable, natural fabric that is soft and comfortable for everyday wear. It works well for shirts, blouses, and trousers, giving a polished yet relaxed look. Wool. Wool is ideal for blazers and dress pants, especially in cooler season. It's durable, warm, and wrinkle resistant, making it a good choice for items that need structure. Polyester blends. Many business casual pieces, especially pants and blouses, come in polyester blends because they resist wrinkles and are easy to care for. These blends also add flexibility, making them more comfortable to wear all day. Linen. Linen is light and breathable, but it tends to wrinkle easily. While it can work for some business casual settings, it's best suited for warm climates and more relaxed workplaces. Textile specialist Claire Edwards says that fabric choice directly affects how an outfit is perceived. She notes that neutral fabrics like cotton and wool tend to look more professional, while fabrics like linen can appear more casual. Her advice? Choose fabrics that match the level of formality in your workplace and provide comfort for the day's activities. Seasonal considerations also play a role in fabric choice. In the summer, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen are ideal because they allow air to circulate and keep you cool. In winter, warmer fabrics like wool or heavier cotton blends provide comfort and insulation. Adjusting fabrics according to the season ensures that your business casual outfits are both comfortable and appropriate for the weather. Patterns and textures can add interest to a business casual look, but it is important to keep them subtle. Simple patterns like print stripes, small checks, or muted plaits can work well without being too distracting. Texture can come through fabric like tweed, which adds depth to an outfit without making it too casual. Avoid large, bold patterns as they can detract from the professional look. Imagine building a house. The colors are like the paint on the walls, setting the mood and overall appearance. Fabrics, meanwhile, are like the materials you build with: sturdy wood, flexible metal, or airy glass. Just as you would not make an entire house with one material, you wouldn't want a wardrobe of just one color or fabric. The mix of neutral colors and durable, comfortable fabrics build a strong, adaptable wardrobe foundation. Color palette planning. Choose 3 neutral colors and 2 accent colors that would work well in your business casual wardrobe. List some specific items you would buy in these colors. Alright, tell us, what colors and fabrics do you feel most comfortable wearing to work? Are there specific colors that would make you feel confident or comfortable in a professional setting? Let's know about your experience in the comment section. Summing up the long discussion, the role of colors and fabrics in creating a business casual wardrobe is very important. Moreover, we have covered the importance of neutral colors, adding subtle accents, and choosing professional fabrics like cotton, wool, and polyester blends. Nevertheless, let's wind up this lecture here and move forward to the next one. See you then.